Guys, Tinubu is going. The race is getting hot. Tinubu begs Chicago University Registrar not to expose him. His disqualification is certain. Good evening, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you are watching from. Welcome to BMS News. Guys, Tinubu is going. The race to get him out of office continues, as Peter Obi of the Labour Party is hitting him in one side, and Atiku Abubakar of the PDP is also hitting him in another side. Guys, this time around, there is a fresh update. Bola Ahmed Tinubu attending Chicago University. Guys, recall that the only certificate Tinubu submitted to INEC was Chicago State University certificate. He didn't submit any primary school certificate, neither did Bola Ahmed Tinubu submit any secondary school certificate. Just that Chicago State University certificate, that is what Bola Ahmed Tinubu submitted. Now, guys, there is something that happened on the 3rd of August 2023, just a few days ago. 3rd August 2023. Guys, that thing made people to wonder, even his biggest fans, the biggest fans of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, started thinking if Tinubu really attended this Chicago State University. Guys, even Tinubu's fans are now seeing Tinubu as one who didn't attend the Chicago State University, which he presented the certificate to INEC. Guys, before I drop that, if this is your first time of watching our channel, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share this video, and also please don't fail to turn on your notification bell. Alright guys, before we go further in the case of Bola Ahmed Tinubu concerning his Chicago State University certificate, guys, Yusuf Usman blast Bola Ahmed Tinubu on a Rise TV morning show. Let's just hear what Yusuf have to tell Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu about the ongoing issues we are having, the cope we are having in Niger Republic, and Tinubu saying that he wants to send military to them. Just listen to Yusuf.
Before we started, I am really shocked. The primary responsibility of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is to Nigeria and not to ECOWAS. He answers to us. He's not even addressed Nigerians and justify what he's going to do. He's gone to the Senate to ask for approval. That's no way to declare war. It's not easy declaring war. You're sending your men and women into harm's way to go and get killed and kill. I've said it clearly from the outset of that piece I wrote. I am not into political correctness. We in the North, we are tired of wars. We have been at war for 13 years, for 14 years now with Boko Haram, since 2009, and 9 years with bandits and kidnappers. And you're bringing a fresh war to us? So we're going to war and killing them for what? Before any president goes to war, he comes and explains to his people, these are the reasons why I'm going to war. What are the strategic importance, economic, security, or political strategic importance of going to war? What are the self-interests of that country in going to war? The people who are going to war on their behalf, the Western world, France and the United States, they know what their interests are. Their strategic interest is not the people of Niger or Nigeria, but what is underneath the soil of Niger and Nigeria.
Guys, you have heard it from Usman, that before a president goes to war, there are things he's supposed to put into consideration. And even, look at how he's saying that they have been at war since with Boko Haram, and they don't want to go into another war. And President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is trying to bring another war to them. Why is Tinubu doing this? It's just because of his own selfish interest. Remember when I said there is a part of constitution that said that a president can postpone election if there is a war, and this is the reason why Bola Ahmed Tinubu is seeking for war. Guys, back to Chicago State University issue. In the certificate Bola Ahmed Tinubu submitted to INEC, his certificate of Chicago State University is carrying a female name. And we all know that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is a male. Guys, we know that now the current president of Nigeria is a male and not female. But Tinubu submitted a female name to INEC. Well, guys, this is one of the things that they have been challenging in the court, and we are waiting for judgment on that particular case. But guys, it seems that Atiku Abubakar is not comfortable with that. Atiku went to US, he went to a higher court and filed a suit that they should subpoena the Chicago State University to release all the details of their former student, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. This one na valueless promise. Guys, when they release those details, we will know if it was a male that attended that Chicago State University or a female. To tell you guys that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not clean. Imagine if he is clean, he will just allow Atiku to continue his research. But what's happened? Atiku filed his suit on 2nd of August 2023. Bola Ahmed Tinubu and his team files motion to block US courts from releasing his Chicago University records to Atiku Abubakar. Which kind of problem did Nigeria enter? Which kind of problem did we enter in this nation? Who did we offend? P2B will be telling you, go and verify, go and verify. And another man here who is current president of Nigeria, they now want to verify his details. He's blocking those who want to verify his details. Guys, I don't really understand though. Guys, my question here is this. Why will Tinubu block US court from releasing his Chicago records to Atiku Abubakar? Is he hiding anything for Nigerians? Is there any skeleton in the cupboard? Guys, let's hear your view on the comment section. Guys, this is how the People's Gazette carried the news. President Bola Tinubu has filed a motion seeking to prevent a federal court in the United States from releasing his university academic record to Atiku Abubakar, his principal opponent during Nigerian February 2023 presidential election. Document obtained by People's Gazette shows Mr. Abubakar on August 2nd approached the State District Court for the Northern District of Illinois to issue a subpoena for Chicago State University to release Mr. Tinubu's school's record, citing long-standing controversies around the Nigerian president's background. Journalist David Hunden obtained records that showed a Bola Tinubu that attended Chicago State University in the 1970s was a female. The Chicago State University Registrar's office had told People's Gazette that it graduated a Bola Tinubu on June 1979, but did not elaborate when pressed on whether the student was a male or female, much less if it is the same person now occupying Nigeria's presidency. Mr. Abubakar told the court he was seeking the documents as part of discovery to strengthen his legal challenge against the declaration of Mr. Tinubu as Nigeria's president on March 1, 2023, following the hotly contested February 23rd election. But Mr. Tinubu quickly gathered his team of attorneys and asked to be added as an interested party in the suit, alleging that Chicago State University might be unable to fully protect his interests as the owner of the records being sought. Consequently, Mr. Tinubu argued that the records should not be released because they fell under a 1974 privacy law of American students. Guys, what is Bola Ahmed Tinubu hiding? P2B will tell you, go and verify. Why this one is hiding? What is he hiding? Guys, get to the comment section. Let's hear your view. Please, if this is your first time subscribing to our channel, please like this video, share this video, as we'll see you in our subsequent bulletin. Thank you.